How to download Fall Guys in mobile device. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. I'm gonna open Chrome. Now, over here you'll find the search box. Type in epicgames.com and then search for it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right corner you'll find the option of install. Click on it. Then click on the option of install on Android. Now go ahead and click on install on Android. Click on instant install. With that, its download process will start. After completion of its download process, launch it. Now go ahead and search for the app Fall Guys. After you find it, click on the option of install. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of its download process, you can launch it and play the game. So this is how you can easily download Fall Guys in mobile device. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.